if I have a product, I have to do proper competitive analysis to make sure that I'm not just offering another Me Too product. If you want, and let's say it's a plastic shoe stretcher. Plastic shoe stretchers people sell on Amazon, and they're the same crappy plastic shoe stretcher that has, at best, a 3.5-star review as the average. It's the same problems, the same issues. The spring breaks. It doesn't stretch my shoes. The plastic is crappy. Anyways, they're red. They're black. You could take that. You can take a look at your competitors, and you can say, okay, I'm going to take that same crappy shoe stretcher and improve it. And you could try to find out, it could be a different color, it could be a thicker plastic, it could be better steel, but you can improve it. Or you can look for a different material. So the crappy shoe stretcher that I'm talking about was going for next to, I think it was 39 cents. It was very inexpensive. And they were selling for 3 something, but they were all crappy. And I did this, by the way. I'm not just pulling figures out of the air. I did this for somebody who came to me with a plastic crappy shoe stretcher, and I found a wooden shoe stretcher. But the problem with the wooden shoe stretcher, instead of being 39 cents, it was $1.25. The $1.25, though, instead of selling for 3 something, was selling for what was it? I think they were $19.95 or something like that. It
Mm-hmm.
was a huge value, and the plastic shoe stretcher had $3,000, $3,300 a month in sales. The wooden one had $100,000 in sales. So innovation, and this is why I'm saying take a look at the reviews, take a look on Google, take a look for Shopify products, and see how you can improve on them. You can extract the reviews and just take a look at common, like if you're using an app like Helium 10, they have this review extractor, and what it'll do is it'll highlight positive and negative words used in your reviews, and you can see what people like or don't like about a product, and then if you can improve it, go ahead and do so. So product innovation is where it's at. That could be on an imprint, that could be material, that could be on the thickness. You could take a steel carbon tip on a garden shear and change it to a titanium tip, which costs you 75 cents more, and add another $7 to $12 extra just for changing the tip. So all of these things. Now, where do you get this product innovation from? You can either look for it on Amazon or wherever you want. Etsy and Pinterest are really great. Like, there's a lot of artsy fartsy kind of sites out there where you can go to and see what other people are doing with more of that handmade,
Mm-hmm.
feel good touch. And then you can incorporate it into your products. And that's one of the most important things that you can do, is just be a little bit different. And just to give you an example, I'm going to go to the knife. On the search page, most of the knives, if you type in chef knife, Damascus steel knife, on a search term page, you'll see that most of the knives are in a black box and the knife is going left to right. Now, if you take a look at some of the knives in there, some of them will they'll put and this breaks terms of service, but they'll put fruit there, or they'll put something that'll break the terms of service, either a border. But I'm talking about the ones that are compliant. So they'll have the box with the knife going left to right. Now you could take that knife and go the opposite way, and just go the opposite side of the screen so it breaks the pattern. Or instead of having all black boxes, have an orange box, or orange or black, and all of a sudden there's a pattern that it disrupts, and
Mm-hmm.
your eye is going to go there instead of the others. And that's just a trick that you can do very easily. Just go to a search page, type in your keyword, see what the average product it looks like, and be different.